China's luxury car market is thriving, with both domestic and international brands competing for attention. Here are some of the most popular luxury cars in China. Top luxury cars in China 2025. Zeekr 001, a sleek, high-tech electric vehicle with modular architecture. Neo ET9, a futuristic executive sedan featuring next-gen solid-state battery technology. BYD U8, a powerful luxury SUV with an electrified drivetrain producing 1,200 horsepower. Hi-Fi A, a cutting-edge luxury AV, advanced autonomous driving features. Hongqi L5, a prestigious sedan often associated with Chinese government officials. Hongqi, often referred to as China's Rolls-Royce, continues to dominate the domestic luxury segment. Meanwhile, brands like Neo and Zeekr are pushing the boundaries of electric luxury vehicles. The Zeekr 001 is a cutting-edge electric vehicle that blends luxury, performance, and advanced technology. Here's what makes it stand out. Sustainable experience architecture. C. A modular and scalable EV platform that integrates the latest tech for efficiency and performance. Impressive range. Offers up to 620 kilometers on a single charge WLTP, making it one of the longest range EVs available. Rapid charging. Can charge from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes using a 200 kilowatts DC fast charger. High performance accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds. With its 544 HP all-wheel drive system. Luxury interior features ventilated seats with massage functions, a premium Yamaha sound system, and a fixed panoramic sunroof. Advanced safety and tech equipped with matrix LED headlights, a rear LED light bar, and an active air suspension system for a smooth ride. Design and innovation. The Zeekr 001 combines the elegance of a shooting brake with the sportiness of a crossover coupe, making it a unique and stylish EV. It also features high-tech alloy wheels, a spacious trunk, and a variable gear ratio steering system for precise control. The Neo ET9 is a groundbreaking luxury EV designed to redefine executive sedans with cutting-edge technology and futuristic design. Here's what makes it stand out. Solid-state battery technology equipped with a 150 kWh semi-solid-state battery, offering exceptional energy density and improved safety. Ultra-fast charging operates on a 900 volts architecture, enabling peak charging power for rapid energy replenishment. Wire-controlled chassis. The world's first fully wire-controlled chassis, integrating steer-by-wire, brake-by-wire, and suspension-by-wire for precise handling. Skyride chassis features active suspension and rear wheel steering, ensuring a smooth and dynamic driving experience. Luxury interior designed for first-class comfort, with premium materials, immersive sound systems, and advanced digital interfaces. Advanced autonomous driving built with next-gen smart systems for enhanced safety and intelligent driving capabilities. Performance and range. Power output delivers 707 HP and 900 Newton meters of torque, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds. Long-distance capability offers a WLTP range of up to 720 kilometers, 448 miles, making it ideal for extended travel. Rapid charging. Can charge from 10% to 80% in just 14 minutes using 600 kilowatts DC fast charging. The Neo ET9 is positioned as a high-tech executive flagship, competing with luxury sedans like the Mercedes Maybach and Porsche Panamera. Its innovative chassis and battery technology set new benchmarks for premium EVs. The BYD Yangwang U8 is a revolutionary luxury SUV that combines cutting-edge technology with extreme performance. Here's what makes it stand out. electrified drivetrain powered by 4 independent electric motors, delivering a staggering 1,200 horsepower. Extended range hybrid system features a 2.0-liter turbocharged gasoline engine that acts as a generator to support the 49.1 kWh battery. Floating capability can float on water for up to 30 minutes and even navigate at 3 kilometers per hour, making it a life-saving feature in emergencies. Tank turn technology allows the SUV to rotate 360 on its own axis, ensuring superior maneuverability. Rapid acceleration goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.6 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs in its class. Luxury and innovation. Premium interior designed with high-end materials, advanced digital interfaces, and first-class comfort. Smart suspension system features active suspension and rear-wheel steering for a smooth and dynamic driving experience. Water crossing mode uses built-in sensors to analyze terrain and activate emergency flotation mode when needed. The Yangwan U8 is redefining the luxury SUV segment with its unparalleled performance, innovative safety features, and futuristic design. The Hi-Fi A is a futuristic luxury EV hypercar that blends cutting-edge technology with extreme performance. Here's what makes it stand out. Advanced autonomous driving equipped with next-gen smart systems for enhanced safety and intelligent driving capabilities. Ultra-high performance powered by an 800 volts architecture, delivering 1,305 PS, approximately 1,287 HP, and a 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration in just over 2 seconds. Innovative battery technology features 120 kWh battery with a peak discharge of 1.5 megawatts, ensuring high efficiency and rapid energy replenishment. Luxury interior designed with aircraft-grade TC4 titanium alloy, nano-ceramics and carbon ceramic brakes, offering a premium driving experience. Futuristic design showcases a carbon fiber bulletproof bottom shield, fireproof sprayed carbon fiber top cover, and extra-wide tires for superior stability. Performance and range. Top speed nearly 300 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest luxury EVs. Long-distance capability offers a WLTP range of up to 620 kilometers, 385 miles on a single charge. Torque vectoring control improves cornering by 15% and braking by 10%, ensuring agile handling. The Hi-Fi A is redefining the luxury EV segment with its unparalleled performance, innovative safety features, and futuristic design. Hongqi L5, a prestigious sedan often associated with Chinese government officials. The Hongqi L5, now known as the Hongqi Goli, is a prestigious full-size luxury sedan that serves as the official state car of China. It is often used by high-ranking government officials, including President Xi Jinping. Ultra-luxury design inspired by the classic Hongqi CA770, featuring a neo-retro aesthetic with round headlights and a bold chrome grille. Powerful engine equipped with a 4.0 liters twin-turbo V8, producing 382 HP, ensuring smooth and powerful performance. Exclusive status priced at 5 million yuan RMB, $800,000 USD, making it the most expensive Chinese-made car available for purchase. State symbol used in parades and diplomatic events, reinforcing its status as a symbol of national prestige. Second generation 2023 present. The latest Hongqi Goli was unveiled at Auto Shanghai 2023, featuring a dual-color body design, an extended 3,730mm wheelbase, and upgraded luxury features. It remains a highly exclusive vehicle, primarily reserved for government use, though a limited number are available for private buyers.